Okay, hello everyone. It's my 9th day and I'm still in Chakrata. I'm going out of temple. If you can see, that is the temple. I've been staying here with Babaji, and as usual, because I don't shoot temples, so you have to come here to feel the vibes and energy. And today I'm going to go around Chakrata. There is a place called Hillary Top or Hillary Top, I don't know exactly. So I'm going there. It's around 2-3 kilometers away. But before that, I have to go to the market and I want to repair something like the zip of my bag. And yeah, let's go. Let's see Chakrata today. And it's really beautiful, the place I'm staying. If you can see this, you can go from the temple itself to the market. There is a way that is going. So yeah, till the time that is beautiful.
Lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
So when you're climbing up the temple, you're going to come at a midpoint just before market starts, and it's actually a viewpoint. So यहाँ से पूरा चक्राता दिखता है, and it's just beautiful. I mean, like, as long as you can see, there are mountains. And the best part is Chakrata already height पे है. So mostly when you're climbing up, you see most of the mountains down beneath you. So yeah, it's really good. And behind me the houses and the city of Chakrata. I'm going to go there. So yeah.
What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
And when you're climbing up, there is a government hospital right here. So if you guys have any issues, you can come. It's on the path from the temple only. And if you're coming from the market, you have to go towards the temple. So you'll find this. And yeah, the more I walk, the more beautiful it gets. So let's keep on rolling. Let's go to the market first and repair the bag.
Oh, we can fly again. I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind.
Okay, so I'm in the market and I have to find a tailor. So let's figure out. भाई इधर टेलर कहाँ पे होगा?
टेलर एक सामने में है, ये भी खुला है, यहीं पे देखा महिंद्रा टेलर.
मैं हाँ, thank you.
To be alive, just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You.
Okay, so I'm done with my bag. मैंने अपना बड़ा वाला बैग अभी वहीं छोड़ दिया है because I'm going to Chilmiri Top. It's around 2 kilometers away from here. So it's a sunrise and sunset point both. So let's go, let's figure this out. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ट्रेल्स हैं जो जंगल के बीच में जाते हैं. But apparently I cannot go there because this is a military area. So a lot of places in Chakrata are restricted for people. Because Chakrata and Saiya, both the place I was staying last, comes under military. तो अगर आप लोग भी आ रहे हो तो be aware, there are sign boards and civilians are not allowed to go to most of the places. So वो चेक करके. बाकी चिलमरी टॉप का एक बहुत स्ट्रेट रोड जा रहा है मार्केट से करके. You can go from there. I'll show you the route also. But yeah, you can't just randomly hike here.
Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Yes, it's true. If you go on this road, you are going to go towards Maletha and Mussoorie also. So you see the road jayegi idhar, and yeah.
Oh, we can fly again. I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind.
Okay, so after walking for almost 1.2 kilometers or something like that, I have come to the last shop before Chilmiri Top.
Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
Chilmiri Top, यहाँ पे एक टेम्पल है. So let's figure out किसका टेम्पल है, महादेव का टेम्पल है, किसी और का टेम्पल है. Let's go and check it.
You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Okay, done with the temple, and it was of course Mahadev's temple, and now I'm going towards Chilmiri Top. From the temple, Chilmiri Top is around 800 meters, I asked someone. So yeah, and I think Chakrata में सबसे highest place top जो है वो Chilmiri Top ही है, and you can see both sunrise and sunset from here, and it's a walking distance from the market, and it's around 2 kilometers, not a hike or anything like that. It's just a normal simple walk. So let's do this.
Fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
And sunset is this way, sunrise and sunset point. And here you have Thana Danda. I don't know what Thana Danda is, but I know Thana Danda is apparently little far. That it's not that far, but it's far enough for me to walk today. So I'm going to go to the sunset point and let's explore Chilmiri Top. Okay, so after this spot, I am off to the real place, that is Chilmiri Top, and Chilmiri Top is right there.
Mind, and then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I.
we reached Chilmiri top, and it's nothing, but it's like an open ground, and this is the highest place in Chakrata, I think, because the mountains, all you see is almost the same range, and this is actually a ground here, so this is really good.
Been trying hard not to go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to stay the night.
Okay, so that was just a glimpse of sunset. I'm going back because it is getting cold and I don't have anything else, and also because I have to reach the temple for the aarti. So this is it.
Tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out.
I have to go because I'm feeling cold, and I have to attend the aarti, but the sunset, guys, it is utterly just wow. चिलमिरी टॉप से पहले एक दुकान पड़ेगी जहाँ पे आपको अजीत भाई जी मिलेंगे. सो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा बुरास का जूस. सो बुरास का जूस इज बेसिकली, बुरास भाई जी फूल है ना एक, तो बुरास बेसिकली यू विल फाइंड इट इन उत्तराखंड, फ्यू प्लेसेस इन ऑफ हिमाचल आई थिंक. तो ये बुरास का जूस है,
उत्तराखंड का वो है,
उत्तराखंड का
फूल जो
नेशनल फ्लावर है, उत्तराखंड का नेशनल फ्लावर है. तो ये तो ज़्यादा डल गया ना शायद भाई जी,
ये बुरास का शेक
ज़्यादा डल गया,
बहुत ज़्यादा
बहुत ज़्यादा डल गया ना.
आज बिल्कुल एकदम मात्र 10 से 20 ml ज़्यादा है.
इतना
ये भी ज़्यादा हो गया,
ज़्यादा हो गया.
बस 20 ml
20 ml मैक्सिमम, और उसके साथ पानी कितना,
पूरा
पूरा पानी. So it's basically like a peg. So you drink it. मीठा है.
बोला था ना सही
गुलाब जल जैसा है.
थोड़ा भी ज़्यादा
बहुत ही सही. बुरास का जूस, and it is good for skin aging. It is good for cancer, liver, and many other things. So if you come here, you can